Here are some lean protein dinner ideas for you. 1. Grilled chicken breast with vegetables. Marinate chicken breasts in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs. Grill until cooked through and serve with a side of roasted or steamed vegetables. 2. Baked salmon with quinoa and asparagus. Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Serve with a side of cooked quinoa and roasted asparagus. 3. Turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Mix ground turkey with breadcrumbs, egg, garlic, and herbs. Form into meatballs and bake or cook in a skillet. Serve over spiralized zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. 4. Tuna steak with sweet potato wedges. Season tuna steaks with a bit of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Sear in a hot pan for a few minutes on each side. Serve with baked sweet potato wedges and a side salad. 5. Chickpea and spinach stir fry. Sauté garlic and onions in a bit of olive oil. Add canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, and fresh spinach. Season with cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Serve over brown rice or quinoa. 6. Egg white omelette with veggies. Whisk egg whites and cook in a non-stick pan. Add chopped bell peppers, spinach, tomatoes, and onions. Fold and serve with a side of whole grain toast. 7. Grilled shrimp tacos. Marinate shrimp in lime juice, chili powder, and garlic. Grill until pink and cooked through. Serve in whole grain tortillas with shredded cabbage, avocado, and a squeeze of lime. 8. Greek yogurt chicken salad. Mix cooked, shredded chicken with Greek yogurt, celery, grapes, and almonds. Season with salt, pepper, and a bit of lemon juice. Serve over a bed of mixed greens. These recipes are not only rich in lean protein but also balanced with healthy fats and plenty of vegetables. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.